Hello guys, myself Bikram Vicious, and today I'm gonna show you my entire logo designing process from the beginning to the ending, as the cracking the brief, sketching, finalization of product. So stay tuned with me till the end. So let's get started with the brief. So for the brief, we are gonna use Good Brief. Its inbuilt AI helps user to create briefs of non-existing brands. Here from the type we can select the brief type you want. So I'm selecting the logo, and you can also select your industry. Here you can get a lot of options, so I'm selecting food. So let's generate. So they gave me this brief. Here the company name, the company description, the job description. So let's export. And if you don't like the brief, click generate to get a new brief. And there is no limitation, so you can try as much as you can. So now we are at the breakdown stage of the brief. So firstly we'll focus the company name, which is the most important part of any logo. Then we'll come to company description. Here we are a company that makes and distributes vegan foods. Our main product is made with love and served your favorite dinners. Our target audience is men, and we want to convey a sense of comfort while at the same time being professional. So these are the things which we have to focus on, and along with that their job description. You must create a logo using the information given in the brief. They would prefer an abstract logo that uses the color black. The logo will be used on the company website. Take into account company's value preferences and make sure it will work for planned use cases. So this is the all about the description of overall brief. So let's get started.
Mind map.
The logo name is Town. It makes and distributes vegan foods. So we're collecting important points from the brief, and then we'll create a mood board of all points. And remember, noting points help you to keep focused on the important points. Okay, so this is the explanation of the brief. Another important part of logo designing is searching. A designer should search about relatable designs, fonts, colors, and competitors as well. It allows creators to be more creative and let them think from different perspectives. After doing research, we'll move to sketching. So this is all about the sketching for the logo, and I have finalized this one currently. Basically in previously I have finalized this one, but when I switch to Illustrator then it doesn't seem too good, so I made this at last. Note one thing: when you are sketching you have to make almost 20 to 25 sketches on that topic, so that you will choose correctly the best one. So yeah, that's all about the sketchings. Now switch to Illustrator. So we have to trace our logo now, so let's go. And now I'll explain the logic behind this logo. So this is a normal T. This is also this part represents that a complete T, and this part is the love, which is mentioned in the brief as well. And this also represents a leaf, represents the vision that it's a vegetarian food company. So Yeah, I guess all point is covered in this logo as well and looks quite pretty good. And note one thing, that we should never send these files as a JPG or PNG directly to the client. So to impress client, we'll make its mockup now and let them know how it shows when they will use it. So let's get started. In one hand, a logo serves as the face of a business or organization, represents its value, vision, and identity to the world. Creating a memorable and impactful logo is crucial for building a strong brand presence. While on the other hand, a logo mockup plays a significant role in the logo designing process. It allows designers and clients to visualize how logo would appear in various real-life contexts, such as on business cards, websites, products packaging, or even billboards. This visualization helps in assessing the logo's versatility and effectiveness across different mediums. So this is all about my logo design process, and hope you like this video, and do share and subscribe as well to keep me supporting, and see you in next video. Bye.